Welcome to Learning Buddy. Today's topic is communication. Let's see what are the different types of communication. Communication is classified into four types based on medium and channel, organizational relation, agents, and direction of flow. With respect to medium or channel, communication can be divided into two categories, verbal and non-verbal. With respect to organizational relation, communication can be divided into two categories, informal and formal. On the basis of agents, it can be classified into four groups, that is intrapersonal, interpersonal, group and mass communication. With respect to the direction of flow, communication can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. The type of communication where the intended message is passed with the use of language and words is referred to verbal communication. Verbal communication can be either in the spoken form or in the written form. Written communication refers to any kind of exchange of information in the written form. For example, as we do in emails, letter, reports, SMS, posts on social media, flyers, etc. Oral communication involves the transfer of information in only one form, that is sound. It can be either face to face interaction or over the phone or through voice notes. In non-verbal communication, messages are relayed without the transmission of words. This form of communication aids verbal communication. This includes gestures, body language, symbols, and expressions. Nonverbal communication often plays a vital role in setting the tone for the dialogue. Types of nonverbal communication are paralanguage, chromatics, proxemics, chronemics, olfactic, kinesics, haptics, and oculesics. Paralanguage is the means of expressing oneself without using words. This includes pitch, intonation, tone, voice pattern, etc. Chromatics is a type of nonverbal communication where colors are used to communicate the messages. For example, for danger we use red color, whereas to signify peace we use white color. Haptics is a way of conveying and perceiving tactile information through touch. Hugging, kissing, handshake, pat on the back are some examples of haptics. Haptics plays a crucial role in interacting with deaf and blind people. Chronomics is the study of the use of time in nonverbal communication. Time can also be used as an indicator for status and attitude. Punctuality refers to positive attitude, whereas delay refers to the negative attitude. Proxemics involves the signal we show with our body language and the space we create. For example, when we stand away from a person, we non verbally communicate that we are not so close to that person. Another example for proxemics can be when we communicate with a stranger, we are at a distance from them, whereas when we are communicating with our friends or our children, we are in the closer proximity. Olfactics involves communicative functions associated with the sense of smell, such as body odors, use of perfumes, etc. For example, if a person walks into a room that did not smell good, he would be less likely to interact with the people around him. On the other hand, if a room smells welcoming and comforting, a person would be more likely to stay longer and interact with the people there. Kinesics is the non-verbal communication done through body movements, gestures, and facial expressions. As shown in the picture, showing thumbs up, thumbs down, waving are all the examples of kinesics. Oculesics is the study of the role of eyes in communication and social interaction. It involves the study of eye contact, gaze, blinking, and other eye movements. It can convey a wide range of emotions, intentions, and attitude. For example, having an eye contact is a sign of attentiveness, interest, or sincerity towards that person, while avoiding eye contact can be interpreted as a sign of shyness, discomfort, or dishonesty.